video. It's your girl Katlyn Shanice, and we are back with another video. If this is your first time visiting Kate's Corner, I'm gonna go ahead and need you to subscribe and click the bell so you can know when I post. And if this is not your first rodeo, welcome back. So today, as you can tell by the title, this is not a how-to. This is just kind of a recap, I guess you could call it. I don't know, but a recap on my very own box braids I installed myself. I am so proud. So I kind of wanted to do a how-to video, but then I realized that I can't do a how-to if it was my first time doing it, you know. What I just wanted to do was kind of insert clips, and then I would just give you the deets on what I did. So I first of all, what you need is 5 packs of, depending on how long you want, 5 packs of whatever type of braiding hair you need or want. I used 5 packs of Expressions hair. I didn't cut the hair. This hair is super long. I'll show you. It goes all the way down to my butt. And here's the back of it. See, it's super long. Some type of edge control I bought a new edge control. It smelled like blueberries. It smells so good. I forgot what it's called. It's, oh God, I can't remember. I'll put it in the description box down below. A rat tail comb, rubber bands, and patience. A whole lot of patience. To begin separating my actual hair into the boxes with the rubber bands took me about an hour and a half. Hey guys, alright, so I'm back probably almost about 2 hours later, and I know it's taking me forever to do, but I've gotten most of my section separated out. This has been a very interesting process. I still got this, like this little row, and then this last little row right here to do, and I'll be done. I'm super excited. I can't wait to see how my braids turn out. I'll have to do my hair for a while. Like, it's great. So I'll come back to y'all when I am finished with these little boxes. I look like Kodak. Because I kept stopping and going, and I got frustrated because I don't really have a mirror, like a long mirror to look at the back of my head. So I had to like prop my little makeup mirror on my knees, literally sit on the kitchen counter, Lord, the bathroom counter, and like, oh my God, part, then look, then part. It just took me forever today. So after I finished that, I went ahead and I separated most of my hair. For like, I would take the pack out, you know, and then separate how big I wanted the braids, and I had it all laid out so I didn't have to do all that extra stuff, you know, while I was braiding the hair. That a while. Only because I can braid, but I can't, in a sense, you know. Like I can braid on the scalp, but I can't catch it when I'm doing box braids. It's weird, I don't know. So, and having to like braid certain areas of your hair, you know, you have to like readjust your hands. Y'all, literally, my freaking wrist was sore yesterday. I kid you not. Like my husband's like, what is wrong with you? I'm like, my wrist hurt. He's like, well, your hair is pretty. I'm like, my wrist hurts. Like, seriously. But overall, like, I love it. I love this hair. Like, I just love the style. I wanted to do something that would last, hopefully this lasts till Thanksgiving. I mean, we'll see. Tomorrow's the first day of November, and then that's like 2-3 weeks. Like, we'll see if it lasts 2-3 weeks. They're so big, so they might not. I didn't want to do them too small anyway, only because the takedown, I'm not about to do all that. I'm not about to sit. I ain't about to install for 4 hours and have to take 9 hours to take them out. Like, no, I had to have a come to Jesus meeting midway through my head. My arms were cramping. I was losing my patience. I got hungry. Then I had my husband saying, dang, that's gonna take a long time. I was like, you're not helping, babe. Like, you're not helping. But overall, I would definitely give this like a 10 out of 10. Shout out to all the YouTube videos, the people who made the how-to videos. Again, I didn't want to make this a how-to because I really didn't know what I was doing. I just insert my videos and, you know, give you the tea on what it's like to be doing your hair, you know. I hope my video can help someone, and I hope that you all give this a try. I was reluctant at first, I will say, because I was like, I know it's going to take a long time, and then watch y'all not even like it. And then I also thought, like, maybe this red is too much, but I'm like, no. The people who think my red is too much, y'all doing too much, because this red is fire, okay? Fire, honey, fire. But yeah, I think that's all I got. Oh, and happy Halloween to you all. I hope you have a wonderful and safe Halloween. If you're taking the kiddos out, make sure you check all their candy, because we got some crazy people out in this world. And if you all going to a Halloween party, you better turn up, but do it in a safe manner, because you got work tomorrow. All right, guys, once again, thank you so much for the love and appreciation and the views. It means the world to me, and I hope to see you all in my next endeavor and video. All right, peace out.